And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. How are you guys doing? I am doing fantastic and it is almost the end of Vlogmas, guys. Today I was like, my god, I vlogged for like 22 days almost. What day is it today, by the way? It is 22nd of December. So I was like 21 days I have vlogged and like uploaded. I'm so proud of myself. It is almost the Christmas season, you know, the vibes are there, the holiday spirit is there, and you know, it's the end of the year almost. It's like the last week and you know, it's very exciting. Definitely it's the most beautiful time of the year. Okay guys, for today's video actually I thought since it's the Christmas season, on the Christmas day or the Christmas Eve, everybody is gonna dress up, look fancy, look nice, wear your like green, red, white, whatever outfits you have, and it's gonna be like so fun. So I thought this is the perfect time to like show you what are my top 5 red lipsticks, guys. And I wanted to make this video more interesting, so I was thinking, what are my top 5 red lipsticks under rupees 400? Yes guys, under rupees 400, which is like amazing, and it is like different shades of red, and as per your outfit you can choose. So I have like 5 options here, my top 5 options, and I'll be showing you one by one my top 5 red lipsticks for this Christmas season under rupees 400 especially. So without any further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, so the first lipstick that we have here, this is my most favorite red lipstick, guys. I don't know if I've ever like stopped using this. I love this red lipstick so much because it's the perfect shade of red that I need. It's red but it is not too bright, but it uplifts my makeup, and I just love this lipstick so much. I think most of the videos, guys, like most of the videos, this is the lipstick that I wear. This is from the brand Maybelline and the shade is Divine Wine. It is in the number 695 Divine Wine. I think this is around 329 rupees, and this is such a good red shade, guys. Just look at this and look at the amount I have used, guys. Like, I don't think anybody uses lipstick this way like I use Divine Wine from Maybelline. Look at this, guys. It's over almost, like that much I use it, probably like an everyday basis also. I like nude lipsticks for everyday, but I'm also that girl who doesn't mind like a red lip most of the days. I really don't have a problem. So this is the one that I use most of the days. It is amazing, guys. I will swatch it and show you how it is. Guys, look at this. It looks so pretty. It is not too bright. It's like the perfect amount of red that you need. I really love this lipstick. It's like a deep red kind of shade. That's why Divine Wine. And I really love this lipstick. I think for my skin tone as well, it complements really well. This is our first red lipstick, guys. Also, guys, the price and everything, I'll leave it on the screen so that you can see. The next suggestion for a good red lipstick under rupees 400 is from the brand Swiss Beauty, and this is a Swiss Beauty Bullet lipstick, the HD Bullet lipstick in the shade Pop Red number 14. And like the name suggests, guys, it's a beautiful bright red shade. Let me just show it to you. See guys, this is how the lipstick looks. It is such a beautiful red, actually, like the kind of red most people like. So it is such a nice red lipstick. And one thing about this lipstick, guys, the formulation is actually good. I've used this in the past, but one suggestion that I would give you is like you use like a lip balm or like a lip primer before you apply this lipstick, because sometimes I've noticed that it kind of gets a little dry as the day passes. So I would say like a lip balm or like a lip primer, or else you can also top it off with a transparent lip gloss. Something like that would definitely work, guys. But the shade is beautiful. Look at that, guys. One thing I have to say about this lipstick is the pigmentation is amazing. It is so pigmented, and look at that, guys, how nice it looks, right? And I love this shade actually. It's very beautiful. It's like such a nice bright lip shade, and it suits my top actually. It matches this top that I'm wearing as well. It's a very Christmassy red, and I think it will look good with most outfits that you wear. So this is the next recommendation, guys. Okay guys, so the third option for red lipstick that we have is again from Maybelline Creamy Matte range. This Creamy Matte range is one of my most favorite. I've already told it in the past. They have such good color ranges, and one of the formulation that suits my lips very well. So I always reach out to this lipstick, and it is also very affordable. It is very nice. The formulation is great. They have amazing color ranges as well. They have so many actually. So the next one is the shade Bold Crimson, and the shade number is 634. So let's watch and see, guys. Guys, this is the shade. It looks so beautiful. It's kind of very similar to the Swiss Beauty one that I just showed, but I'll tell you one thing, this glides so smoothly compared to the Swiss Beauty one. Swiss Beauty one, I had to drag it a little bit, but the color payoff is really good and it looks very nice. This also has like a very similar shade, but it glides like butter. Like, that's why I love this range so much. Like, it is so smooth, it's so nice, the color range is good, and this is kind of like a coral red shade. It looks very beautiful. Again, it's like totally worth the money. Again, I think the Creamy Matte range comes for like 329 rupees. I will add the price range in the screen, guys, so don't worry. So this is the next one, guys. Okay guys, for the next one, again this is from Maybelline, but this is the Loaded Bolds range that had come, and again this is a very bright red shade, and it is very beautiful as well. This is how it looks. It has like a slight pinkish side to it, which is very beautiful. It's like a pinkish red kind of shade, and I love that about it because it looks so pretty. Like, pink and red already is a very good combination, and this lipstick is kind of little bit like that. Guys, look at this. This is how the shade looks. Again, very pretty and amazing red shade actually. I like that it makes the overall makeup look so good. And this is my next suggestion, guys. Maybelline makes amazing red shades actually. So the last one that we have is from the brand Nykaa, and the shade name is On Fire. This is how it looks, guys. Not too bright, it's more on the dark red kind of shade. Look at that, guys. It is so nice. It's not too much, but also it's like a red shade. It's like perfect for a day look, for a night look. It's a red shade, but yet so muted and subtle. That's what I like about it. It's truly amazing, guys. And the name rightly suggests it's On Fire. I love this shade actually. Okay guys, that was my top 5 red lipsticks for this Christmas season under rupees 400. I hope this video was really helpful for you to select your red lipstick for this Christmas season. That too under rupees 400, guys. With that, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will see you in Vlogmas Day 23. Bye, guys.